Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So as you can see, these are the titles that ElziStyle Bookshop has published so far. So we can see on top Bayokatano Maguindanon Bayok transcription, translation, and annotation published in February, and then it is followed by Philosophy of Ethics by Murtaḍā Muṭahharī sometime in March, if I am not mistaken, and then it is followed by Fitra, Man's Natural Disposition, again by Shahīd Murtaḍā Muṭahharī the following month, that is around, I think, yes, April. And then in July we were able to publish Radical Democracy in the Time of Duterte by Dr. Christopher Ryan Mabolok. And then just in October, yes, in October or August, we were able to publish September, I think October, yes. In October, we were able to, July or August, yes, it came out in August. We were able to publish How to Sharia Compliantly Invest in the Philippine Stock Market. So now, there is an addition to the family, and that is our new printed book, Shahīd Murtaḍā Muṭahharī's The Mysticism of Ḥāfiẓ. Okay, so this is the new one. As you can see, as you open it, the first thing that you will see is the free bookmark. Okay, so this one, the copyright page, and then the dedication. After that, the content. Chapter 1, Ways of Knowing Hafiz. Chapter 2, Hafiz, a Flower from the Garden of Islamic Teachings. And then Chapter 3, Hafiz, Worldview and Ideology According to the Esoteric Meaning of His Poems. And then Chapter 4, Principles of Mystical Worldview, Part 1, and then Chapter 5, Principles of Mystical Worldview, Part 2. Okay, so this is our new publication. Alhamdulillah, it was published after around 2 weeks. This is the back cover. And what's next? The next in line is no other than banking and insurance in Islam, which is I am currently translating. And so far I have already translated around half of the book, and hopefully I can finish it within this month of December 2022. So let us see. So thank you so much, and order your copy now of The Mysticism of Ḥāfiẓ. Enjoy reading. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.